to those who don't have the gift of a smile, to those who don't have a caress of the skin, to those who don't know the sweetness, to those who silently suffer violence, to those who cannot unleash their hair in the wind, to those who embrace with the love, to those that illuminate the soul, to those who speak inside beyond the gaze, to those who smile with the colors of a rainbow, to all those who give energy to the freedom of life. Today is Happy Woman's Day. My thoughts are all for you, that you know how to live being strong, and that positive and energy even on a dark day accompany you every moment of life, and that your soul is cheerful and full of love. Thank you for your being special daughter, mothers, grandmother, in a word, woman. To celebrate this wonderful day, we have decided to give you a video recipe of an Italian dessert that is made on this occasion of this special day. Aren't you curious? Click here and discover the video recipe. And don't forget, Happy Women's Day to all women in the world. Ciao from Gabriele and from Villa Le Torri. Ciao!